Hello, I hope you are doing good. Just a really short, quick video which might be of help when it comes to building guitars. For example, I have this project here and the cables are supposed to go in the cavity. There are my pots and controls here. And if you have for example, the ready-made kits of pickups which have these connectors, so you have zero chances to get them through because the holes are usually not so big. So you can make much bigger holes, which has to be a double size, or you can simply take the connectors out. You don't have to cut the cable, and I'm going to show you now how to do it. In this case, I don't want to make the holes any bigger, so I'm going to remove the connector temporarily and just install the cables and pickups and then put back the connector. This connector has 4 pins and you have to remove them one by one. And you can see the 4 side holes, and you have to have something very sharp to press down. There is a kind of a hook which you can see on the left side, and you have to press it down and pull the cable out, and you have to do it for all the 4 cables. The other connector is 5-pin and it's slightly different, so in this case you don't really have to press down the metallic hook, because in this case you can just pull up the plastic part and just pull the cable out at the same time. So this is fairly easy to do, and also press them back. When you put the wires connector back, remember to lift the hook up again so the wires will lock up securely in the connector. That's it. Thanks for watching.